This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 19 of building the Eleanor. This time we're building the other seat. This is going to be a quick build video, but not as quick as the next one, where I'm going to have a look through the magazine as well. So on this one, we've got 3 parts and some screws, exactly the same as we did last time. We pop in the cover, the interior metal bit, onto the back. Goes on like so, and then that's held in place with 4 screws, not those 2 middle ones. No, it says alternate up and back, and then the other 2 over in the other corners. So we'll get those in. We'll open up the packet of screws. We'll get 4 of them out like so, and those 4 screws will all go together. It's a good idea to put them in opposite corners first, so I will say do what they're saying to do, but I've picked the wrong corner. I've gone top right instead of top left, but it doesn't matter. It's fine as long as you get all of the screws in. It's always worth getting them in and not tightening them down fully first. Get them in, make sure they're all lined up and secured, and then you can go back and tighten them up. No point in wasting your time tightening them and then having to loosen them again if things don't quite line up, apart from the screws not quite lining up because I'm an idiot. But apart from that, and again, I've missed again. I've put it there, but it's not quite there. There we go. So I shall get all of these 4 screws tightened up, holding this middle piece to the back piece. This one again has that funny angle on the bottom bit of it. I'm assuming it's to do with it, you know, the back tipping forward, because there's only 2 doors on this particular vehicle. That goes on there, and then this just pops over the top. There's that middle bit that basically holds it in place. I do like the variety of these different builds. If you're following the other cars that I've been doing, I've got 2 posts there that go into those holes there. You'll be aware that there's similarities, but there are also differences. It's nice to have the differences, because then you don't get bored putting things together. So there we have the back of another seat. I think we're doing absolutely nothing with that for ages to come yet. So I'll put that in the box along with the other one. And join me next time as we're doing a very, very quick build and looking at the magazine. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.